Okay, so let's look at some mixed problems and just talk about how we approach them. We'll work a few and then I'll let y'all take your quiz. So the first one says a solution of sodium sulfide is added to a solution of zinc 2 nitrate. So the first thing you want to do is try to make it what? A double replacement reaction. So looking at that, if you were to write down or not write down certain things, you know sodium wouldn't go down, so we'd write down the S minus 2. Then what else would we write down? Cn plus 2. Then, going on from here, can we form something that would make this a double replacement? An insoluble solid, a weak acid base, a gas, or water? Yes, what can we form? Zinc sulfide. So this then was what type of reaction? Double replacement. Okay, what are the spectator ions then in this? There we go. Okay, so looking at the next one, magnesium turnings. Turnings were solids, right? So what do we write? Mg are added to a solution of iron 3 chloride. What do I write? Plus CO minus. So first thing you do is try and make a double replacement. Well, can this even be a double replacement? Without even thinking? No. Why? Because you can't have a single thing booting out a single thing, something in a double thing, because that would be single replacement, right? So single replacement is kind of redoxy. So let's see if we can make this a redox by seeing, can we make something go up and something go down? Can we do that? Go to metals first. Magnesium plus 2 and Fe solid. We don't need chloride to make that happen, so now we have to balance it. Looking at the charges, I see that I need a common factor of 6, so I need a 2 there and a 3 there to make my charges balance. That means I need 3 magnesiums and 2 irons. All right, what will be observed if a magnet is brought near the reaction vessel? So yeah, I'll just write the iron attracted to the magnet. It's kind of a stupid question, but whatever. Okay, lithium metal is burned in air. Do I have to think much about that? What is it? It's combustion. Combustions, remember, are modified redox. Don't forget that. So if we have lithium burned in air, the oxygen's going to smack onto that, and what is it going to make? Li2O. So we'd need a 2 there for the O, making us need a 4 there for the lithium. What is the change in oxidation number of the lithium? Lithium goes from 0 to +1. Okay? These aren't so bad, are they? Okay, let's go ahead and I need to find my change of slide. I guess I'll put it up there. Okay. A solution of tin 2 chloride is added to a solution of iron 3 sulfate. So we're going to write down all our ions. Tin 2 chloride plus iron 3 sulfate. Try to make a double replacement. Can we make an insoluble solid? Is ferric chloride soluble? Yes, it is. Is tin sulfate soluble? Yes. Sol, can bag hags, so it's not one of those. So that makes two things that are soluble, so that's not it. So it can't be double replacement. So what do we have to try next? Redox. Go to metals first. Can we make something go up and something go down? Iron can't go up anymore, so it has to go down. So that means we have to make the tin go up to 4. And so we don't need these guys to make that happen. So we have 2. We got to multiply the irons by 2. And is that going to be enough? And the tin by 3. So I think iron by 2 and the tin by 3. Does that work? 6 is 12. Yeah, that does work. Did y'all see what I did there? I said in my head, iron has, I thought about the half reaction. It had +3 electrons on one side. And then I thought about tin's half reaction, and it had a +2 on the other side. The common factor there is 6. So I needed to multiply the iron by the 2 and the tin by the 3. So that's what made me do that. All in my head. What is the reducing agent? It means what is oxidized. So what went up in charge? Sn, but we want the agent, so I want you to write 10 chloride is the full agent. Either one. The question was, do we write this equation or like SnCl2 or the words? I don't care. Either one. All right. Excess concentrated sodium hydroxide. Uh-oh. Right there, what should you be thinking? Ah, complex ion, right? So we're thinking complex ion here, so we're going to add hydroxide to solid. It's already aluminum hydroxide, but it's not complexed. So we're going to bombard it and make it a complex, and it's going to be Al what? OH 4, overall charge of -1. So it's already balanced then, as is. What is the name of the product of this reaction? Tetrahydroxy. I'll take hydroxo as well. Aluminum ion. My smartboard's dying. Hopefully it won't. It'll wake up pretty quick since I'm recording this. It is. Smartboard just reconnected. I wonder how that affects my recording. If it does, we shall see later. Okay. Solid calcium oxide is heated in the presence of sulfur. Uh-oh, what do you see? Ah, oxides are bad. Oxides are weird. So I have what's calcium oxide? Garrett, a fake base added to a fake acid. So we have a fake base added to a fake acid. What do we make? A salt with no water. So what is our salt? Good. And that's balanced. What state of matter is this product? It's solid, right? Because we're just taking a solid, running a gas over it to create another solid. There is no water, so there can't be any ions. Okay, so that's about half of them. I'll save the next 6 because I have another 6 up here. I just wanted to kind of talk through some with you, and tomorrow we'll talk through the other 6 before the quiz. So, quiz time. Da-da-da-da.